Hey y'all, we're making a video of the dryer, the Luxury Metals dryer. And this is the first time my wife just cut it on. Whoa, look at all that stuff come out of there. Great day. This is the first time cutting on. I think it works great. First class. A whole lot of stuff come out of there. I like that. That's what I want. I want to see the lint come out of there. That means I did a good job cleaning it. All right. And here's how it works. The flapper. There's more stuff coming out of it. All right. That's a good thing. You don't want to trap it up in there. All right, y'all. Woohoo! Part 2. All right, now. You just never see Mike get so excited over a dryer vent. There she is. She works great. First time we cut the dryer on since I installed it. All right, y'all take it easy, y'all. All right, bye-bye. Okay, y'all, here it is. Working good. Got a little steam coming out of there. You know she's working good. All right.